everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I'm making it because it's a pretty particular moment for me. A few days ago, while I was playing Counter-Strike 2, my PC with the 4080 suddenly turned off. Then, when I tried to power it back on, something literally exploded. I think it was a capacitor or something like that. Between work and everything else, this was the last thing I needed. At first, I thought it was just the power supply, but today I got some 600 watt 12 VHP WR cables for the 4080 and realized the problem probably went all the way to the motherboard. I wanted to run a few tests today to figure out what was working, but in the end I had to give up. And I think I just RMA both parts under warranty. Still, it's going to cost me a lot of time since I have to completely disassemble and reassemble the PC. To make things worse, the PSU I had just ordered to test not only arrived with the crashed box, it was used, and this is the second time Amazon tries to sell me used stuff at full price. Anyway, I'll return all the parts, and as soon as I get my refund, I'll order a new power supply and motherboard, then test everything else one by one, starting from the pre-issues 4080 down to the RAM and the CPU. But I really hope and believe it's just the PSU and the motherboard. I also wanted to review the new UPS I bought from Amazon today, but it's getting late, and if I want to make a video too, I need to pace myself. So today I tried to power on my old PC. From what I remembered, it had a bunch of issues, and yeah, cooler was broken, some cables were cut, and the GPU was missing. Basically, whoever touched this PC tried to steal everything they could detach. Lol. The graphics card was pretty terrible anyway, like one of those passive silent ones. I probably paid 50 euros for back in the day, but in the end I managed to get it running somehow. The plan was to test the PSU on the old PC, but then I realized that the connectors were way too old for these new power supplies, so that wasn't possible. Actually, I did try to test it manually by bridging the 4th and the 5th pin to turn it on, but no sign of life. Tomorrow I'll return all the stuff, and as soon as I get my money back, I'll order the new parts. I don't know how often I'll be able to upload videos. I'd love to do it daily, but that would be pretty hard, especially since I'm trying to start going to bed early, like around 9 PM. Right now it's already 1:20 AM and I'm just finishing this script. I still need to record the audio and edit the video, but this time I'll do it. I swear, I'm doing it for myself. If you want to help me out with advice, motivation or just support, you're all more than welcome. Show it by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. It would really mean a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed or will enjoy the video. See you all soon. Thank you very much. Good night.